is charging. This power bank is charging, and I actually found this power bank in the dumpster, which I think is because it's a little bit dirty, maybe a little bit sticky. So I'm going to teach you on how to remove all this sticky stuff using alcohol swab. Alcohol swab is good because it's easy to get from the dumpster, or you can buy from pharmacies if you want to. So let me grab a piece of this alcohol swab and then just push it along. Certain material that is more sticky than others, which this method may not work, but for this particular case you can see the differences between just now and now, and all the transfer is all over on this side. So you can see this is very dirty, right? Just swipe it over with the alcohol swab, and you can potentially clean it off, and you have a brand new power bank that is not so dirty. This is I clean this side. This side is still a little bit dirty, but it's possible to clean it totally and you have a power bank that is clean. Yay!